Hello and welcome to ESI Mineset. Today we want to briefly talk about the fast visual analytics for big data using Spark. First, Spark aggregates on the server, then the web-based client receives pre-processed chunks of data. The result is big data being visualized interactively. In this example, we want to visualize the 8.6 million temperature measurements from around the globe, taken over the last 270 years. To plot this data, I can simply navigate over to the plot chart and click on the icon, then click on the line chart. Here we can see a plot of the average temperatures aggregated by country clearly represented on the line graph. Let's say we're looking at different temperatures at different latitudes over the years, but now want to see seasonal temperature trends. All we need to do is change the grouping from the plotting options, where we will select month of year. Observe how the processing takes only a few fractions of a second when creating a new visualization. Similarly, filtering the results by highlighting the desired selection within the plot is also instantaneous. Lastly, here is an example of how to change the color mapping by navigating to the Color tab and selecting Country. The results are clearly displayed in the bubble chart. For more information including free trials, please visit us at cloud.esigroup.com. Thanks for taking a minute to check out our quick demonstrator of Spark analysis with ESI Mineset.